Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to use Nano Banana AI for interior designs. So if you're a student of interior designing or maybe you are a graduate and you want to get inspiration for your work, then in this video I'll show you how you can get inspiration for interior designing projects from Banana AI. So first we have to make sure that you have the app called Google Gemini. If you don't have it, you can get it from Google Play Store or App Store. Simply install it and open it up. Once the app gets open, then you will see this page. Now at the bottom you will see the icon of banana along with image. This is called Nano Banana AI. So this is a kind of a version in the Google Gemini where you ask to do it anything and it will create an image onto it, and this version or this feature is called Nano Banana AI, or maybe that technology is referred as the Nano Banana AI. So simply give your prompt like whatever you want related to your interior designing work, and it will generate images onto it. Through that you will get the inspiration, or if you have searched for something specific related to that interior designing project, you will get something out of it. Then you will have the image, you can get an inspiration, and if you want to use it for your work you will be able to do it. So that's how you will be able to use Nano Banana AI for interior designing. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.